look in a room I'd never seen, but the curtains knew my name. A paperweight shaped like a swan held down a letter that burned like flame. The ink was fading, but the feeling grew like a deja vu I never outgrew. The mirror people know my face. They wave from glass and smile and grace. They hum on tunes I used to sing in a life that never happened. And every shelf in heavenly curios holds the truth I almost imagine. The clock ticks backwards near the door, its hands like vines, they twist and climb. The paperweights are watching me with eyes that blink in perfect time. I ask them questions, they reply in dreams of carousel moons and silver streams. I saw myself in a looking glass, but I was older, dressed in stars. She said, "You've been here many times before. This place remembers who you are." In a life that never happened, and every shelf in heavenly curious holds a truth I almost imagine.